In this video, we will go over the solution and explanation to the coding exercise that we just did. The question asks us to write a program that outputs the string "Hello World" to the C++ console. Up at the top of the code, we need to include the IOStream header file, since this will give us access to the standard output stream, cout. Inside of the Hello World function, we will type std, then 2 colons, and then cout. After that comes 2 less than signs for the put2 operator, and then the string "Hello World." It is important to make sure that the H and W are capitalized, and that there is an exclamation mark at the end, just like the question shows us, since strings are case sensitive. At the end of the line comes a semicolon. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.